All right, guys, I have this cool track and all these eggs, and we're gonna go all the way down the track with each egg. We're gonna open them up and see what's inside. All right, first egg, here we go. Go, go, go. Whoa! First egg. All right, the first egg, it's a pink egg, and there's a green H inside. All right, the next egg is an orange egg. I wonder what's inside. Put it on the track. 1, 2, 3. Go, little egg. Go, go, go. All right. Let's see what it is. Crack, crack, crack. Oh, it's an A. It's a yellow A. H-A. Wonder what it's gonna spell. All right, our next egg is yellow. Put it on the track. Open the gate. 1, 2, 3, go. Go, 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 yellow. Go, yellow. All right. Let's see what it is. Crack, 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 open. It's a P. It's a red P. Oh, wow, what is that? That's so cool. H-A-P. All right, next one is this green egg. Go, green, go, go, go. All right. Let's crack, 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 open. It's another P. This one's pink. Pink P. All right, next is this blue one. Go, blue, go, 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 go. Yeah, good job, blue. Crack, 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 open. Oh, it's the yellow Y. That's a yellow Y. Look how cool. Oh, it spells a word. What is it? It's H-A-P-P-Y. It spells happy. Okay, come on, purple. You're up next. 1, 2, 3, go. Go, purple, go. All right, good job, purple. Crack, 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 open. Oh, wow, it's this light blue teal E. Oh, wow. So it's happy E? I don't know what that is. Let's keep playing. All right, next up is pink. 1, 2, 3. Go, pink, go, go, go. Whoa! All right, good job, pink. That was in record time. Crack, 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 open. It's a red A. That's a red A. Happy E-A? I wonder what that's going to spell. All right, orange is back up again. Come on, orange, ready. 3, 2, 1, go, orange. Go, 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 go. Oh, no, orange got stuck. Oh, no. Oh, come on, orange, you can finish it. Yeah, good job, orange. Finish strong. Crack, 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 open. It's an S. It's a teal S. Huh, I wonder what's this gonna be. East? East? Happy East? We gotta keep playing to find out. Next up is yellow. 3, 2, 1, go yellow. Go yellow. Come on, don't be scared. Whoa, yellow. Oh no, yellow got stuck too. What's going on? Good job, yellow. All right. Crack, 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 open. Whoa, it's a yellow T. Oh, wow, look at that. East? Happy East? I didn't know we celebrated compass days. That's weird. East, west, south, north. Oh, you know what? We got more eggs. Let's keep playing. Next up is green. 3, 2, 1, go green. Go, go, come on, green. Whoa, green. Whoa, green. All right, good job, green. Knock, knock, knock. Crack, crack, crack. Open. It's a green E. Easty. Easty. Happy Easty. Huh. Oh, you know what? We got one more egg. It's this blue one. 1, 2, 3, go blue. Go blue. Oh, blue got stuck. Blue got stuck. Oh no, come on, blue. Come on, blue. All right. Crack, 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 open. Oh my gosh, it's a purple R. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I know what this spells. Do you guys know what this spells? It's Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Yeah, good job, guys. Way to go. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun. Have a safe and happy Easter. Bye-bye.